know I'm not the butler. I'll cut ya, headbutt ya. You say you can't touch this, said I wouldn't touch ya. In fact, motherfucker,